April 11th through 17th is Black Maternal Health Week, raising awareness to the health crisis many Black mothers face. According to the CDC, Black women are 3 times more likely to die from a pregnancy-related cause than white women. Governor J.B. Pritzker is now calling for $23 million to advance birth equity in Illinois. This as Chicago makes plans to build a new birthing center on the city's south side. Dr. Latasha Nelson joins us now to talk more about the efforts to solve this issue. Good morning, Dr. Nelson. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Well, can you talk to us right off the bat, talk to us about the importance of Black Maternal Health Week?
Well, I think that whenever we talk about a problem such as Black maternal health, the first step is recognizing and acknowledging it and educating people as to the gravity of the issue. Because I feel that until we can have that conversation, we can't move forward in combating the problem.
It's for just identifying that it is an issue first.
Yes.
Well, now let's talk about that new birth center in the Chicago South Side. Can you talk to me about it and why investments like this are just so important?
You know, when I first moved to Chicagoland, I lived on the South Side, and it was so it was so apparent to me as I traveled from my home on the South Side to Chicago, to Northwestern, which is this beautiful healthcare center, just the disparity in what was available for us. So when you start to deal with health equity, the first step is access. So if you don't have access to healthcare, you're less likely to get the quality healthcare that you need.
So just being able to provide that, just one step ahead.
One step ahead. I remember when my husband and I were young parents and we had a bit of a medical emergency with my young son, how far we had to travel to get him that life-saving care. It's amazing to me that now we are going to have healthcare right there.
And we can talk about all these great institutions, but if they're not accessible to the public, what good are they?
They're not at all.
Well, and that's speaking of, key institutions like Northwestern. What does Northwestern have planned during Black Maternal Health Week?
Oh, it's an exciting week here at Northwestern. We are having an open house. We're inviting people from the community in to talk with providers, answer questions, share some just the touring the facility, looking at Northwestern labor and delivery, just making it, again, more accessible to people.
And can we also talk about the importance of the research to support initiatives like this week?
So there are many organizations such as Friends of Prentice which are helping to fuel that knowledge. One of the first grants I got as a researcher here at Northwestern was from Friends of Prentice. And that helps us to dive into those different problems and explore avenues which we can use to support Black maternal health and all maternal health in general.
And last question, Doctor, for those who want to get involved in this critical and important week, how can they do that?
They can do that by coming down to Northwestern for the tour and the open house. There also is a donation drive going forth for EverThrive, where Northwestern is partnering with EverThrive to provide resources and for young mothers. So.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nelson, for joining us. To learn more about Black Maternal Health Week, all you can do is you can visit our website. It's abc7chicago.com.